Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shughar and this is Shugar's Realm. Hope you have been keeping safe and washing your hands. I hope you have been doing that. Today's video is actually it's not very short, but it's pretty short and straight to the point. It is a video on how to make shawarma Nigerian style, at least Lagos style, because I think I've only eaten shawarma in Lagos. So yeah, the day before we went to get shawarma from an Indian store and they gave me a whole lot of things and I couldn't eat it. So I made up my mind to make my own shawarma. This is my first attempt. Basically, I'm doing this with the knowledge of watching people do this in Lagos, right? So if I made any mistakes, please correct me in the comment section. I look forward to reading from you. And if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment, drop a like. Let me know if you're going to try this at home. It is super easy and super yummy and definitely better than what we bought. Yep. All right, guys, enjoy the video. This part actually just shows me trying to shred the chicken and um, grill it. So that's what this part is about. I didn't see anything in this part. After this, I'm going to show you guys a snippet of how I felt when I got the shawarma the day before. Please don't laugh because I made the video out of frustration and anger. Enjoy, guys. So we went to buy shawarma and this is what the shawarma consists of. There's rice, chicken, beef, and some things that I do not understand. I thought this guy should not put garlic sauce, but there, garlic sauce. Oh well. And then we have they give us an extra bread. I think some people wrap this up. I don't know how they do that, but and then there's regular shawarma we know with chicken and beef and vegetables inside. So yeah, this is a whole lot, a whole lot. Anyway, I hope I can eat this. I'm about to try it. Let you guys know if it is worth it or not. So I couldn't eat the plates. I tried, but it was just tasting weird. Eating potatoes, rice, beef, chicken, and plenty of vegetables all at once was not just sitting right with me. So I couldn't eat it. So I ate the wraps instead. I had to add ketchup and then chili sauce to make you feel like my regular shawarma. Oh boy, this was, but see how I removed all the things inside. I don't even know what these ones are. I shall remove them. Everything cost us $26.78. I'm just gonna go to the store, buy chicken. I already have the wraps, thankfully. Just buy chicken and buy the vegetables and make shawarma at home because what is this rubbish? Nope, never again. After shredding, I'm going to put it in this grill. It's a portable grill and just let it cook for a few minutes. So I'm going to spray it first with some oil and then just put the chicken in inside and just let it grill, right? You can totally do this in your frying pan or in your oven, but I had this and I wanted to try how it would be, and it came out perfect, by the way. Okay, so it's ready. It has turned green, so I'm going to turn it off. And then, yep, yes, looks amazing. So I'll take that out. But to show you things I'm using carrots, I'm using cabbage, I'm using sausages, wieners, hot dog, whatever you want to call it. Then we got this pita bread for free from where we got the shawarma, and I'm like, okay, I might as well just keep it and use it to make my own, right? So I got this for free from the Indian store. We got the shawarma, and then I got I have hot chili pepper, I have ketchup, I have salad cream. So now we're going to start. First things first, I'm going to bring the chicken out so I can cut it into smaller bits. I love this mini grill, by the way. It is so amazing. Like, oh my goodness. If you want one, just send me a message and I can totally hook you up. Easy and fast, and you get what you want. So I'm just going to cut the chicken now into smaller bits. Okay, so I'm going to leave it like this. I like how this is, so it's chunky enough to be eaten, so you can actually taste the chicken when you chew on the shawarma, right? Okay, next I'm going to mix my salad cream and ketchup. This. So of course you can go in as much as you want. If you want more, you can add more. If you want less, you can add less, right? I'm gonna mix this together. Tanka helped me with the slicing because I had other things to do, and I'm so hungry. So yeah, that's why this is actually fast. So I'm gonna definitely add more because I can't even see anything in it. So add more. So I'm gonna add some hot chili sauce. Trust me, this thing is not hot. It really is just a joke as far as I'm concerned, but it has a really nice taste to it. So I'm going to add that. If you're someone that likes pepper in your shawarma, go ahead and add dry pepper, I guess. But I don't really like pepper in my, I don't like pepper in my shawarma. It's not a question of really like, I don't even like it at all. But this gives it a taste that I think they actually add. I know this because I tried it when I bought the shawarma from the Indian store. I had to add ketchup and hot chili sauce to it before I could manage to eat it, right? Okay, so this looks juicy enough. I'll just taste it if I like how it tastes. Yum. Yes. So now I'm going to start layering my shawarma. Please remember that this is the first time I'm doing it, so don't laugh. We're learning this together, but it can't be so hard now, right? I've watched a lot of people do this in Lagos, so I'm very sure I got this. So I'm going to start layering the shawarma. Hopefully I get it right, because this one I don't even know. Okay, so I think I'll start from this. Oh yeah, I should. I know that in the Indian store they actually put like a soft spread of garlic, but I didn't want that, but I want them put for people, so I'm going to put mine as ketchup and salad cream. So just put this round, mix it around the pita bread. Stay in one place, Joe. I'm sure I have a brush somewhere in this house. I don't know why I'm so lazy to find this. I'm also too hungry.
Okay, basically just spread it around. I'm too hungry to even think about that. And then I'm going to start layering. Of course, you can add as much vegetables as you want. It's just for 2 people, so I'm gonna put the sausage in this case, sorry. Then add my chicken. If you like tomatoes and onions and all those things, you can totally add them. We don't like those in the house, so we're not adding them. So now it's time to wrap. I think this is going to be the hard part because I'm not even sure I'm supposed to do this, but I'm going to try. So let's see. Okay. I think this my own shawarma is too full. But yeah, basically that's it. So I'm going to put it on the grill. So it's, I don't know if it seals, I'll call it now. So it cooks. And then it can't close, so I'm just going to leave it like this. Hopefully it can get in and do as much of the work as possible. So we're just gonna, nah, I can't close. Oh, let me see, maybe if I try a little harder, nah, I can't close. So I'm gonna leave it like that and then do the second one. So this time I think I'm going to lay, I did this way before. I think this was wrong, so maybe it should have been this way. And then I'm going to space out the bread so I have more to fold. Oh, yeah. If you're like me that likes the easy way out to do everything in the kitchen, this is for you, because this is really not time consuming at all. And I feel like this is a healthy meal. What do you guys think? Because see now, vegetables and ketchup, oh, there's salad cream. I don't think salad cream is healthy, but come on, every other thing should work now. It's white chicken. White chicken, there's white meat, there's oh, sausage. Oh, sorry, not healthy. I already shot myself in the foot. I have sausages sausages in them, and then chicken. So yeah, I'm pretty sure it's not healthy anymore. This is Tanka's one. It has all the meat and everything, and I know it's going to be better because I already laid with mine. So yes, so wrap it. Ooh. Man, babe, this is a big, it's a big wrap. Okay. Oh, this is really full. Like it is actually really, really full. Let's check on this guy. I think I can take it off now. Oh, it's hot. Okay. Yay. This thing is too full. Okay. But yes, guys, see. Looks good. Let me cut into it so You can see how it looks. Okay, the second one is ready. I haven't cut through the first one because I want them to be here together, and then I'll cut through together. Definitely puts too much stuff into this bread because it's overflowing. But yeah, yay! Woohoo! Shawarma's ready. I'm going to cut through and show you guys what it looks like. So you guys, I'm about to try the shawarma and I know that it is amazing, but for the culture, right? I feel like I'm in Lagos. Oh my god, where's my airport fall into? This is how shawarma should be, please. Not that joke that has yam and potatoes and rice. No, please. This is what we're used to. This is the shawarma we know and we love. I had to just pause the video to stop chewing because I was beginning to disgust myself. So this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm really happy with this shawarma, and I know that I'm going to keep doing it because it is so easy and it is so yummy, and it reminds me of home most especially. So don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment, and let me know if you like the shawarma, if you're going to try this, if you're not in Nigeria. And just to let you guys know, for those of you in Nigeria, that you guys are enjoying, like you can get this for 500 naira, 1000 naira, depending on where you are. This was a lot of money if you want to convert it. So please enjoy your shawarma before you decide to leave Nigeria. To my next video, my name is Shughar. Bye.